Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'll be showing you an awesome unboxing of the Benchmade 51 Morpho clone. This knife came all the way from China, and I've been waiting for a long time. And I've cut open the box, so you guys won't have to see me cut it open. And yeah, let's get right into it. So when I got this is gonna be the first look that I see. Open it like this. And it comes in this nice cardboard box, and I open it. Nice nylon case. You can feel the bell sung in there. So hyped for it. There it is. Got 9 touch over there. This is nice. You can see it already. Wow. This looks so cool. By the way, the blue liners on the inside are titanium, and the black liners on the outside are G10, which is composite carbon fiber. I really like these spacers. They look so cool. Right, let me open like this. Yeah. See, it even says Benchmade on it. See it? I did get the trainer kind. This actually looks really cool. This would look really cool in my collection too. This is the whole knife. Let me measure it. So from this side to here at the end is just about 8 inches. Wait, 9 inches. And the blade is about 4.5, and the handles are 5. This knife actually, it looks really cool, and once these titanium liners wear out, I can re-anodize it, and hopefully it would stay with that awesome, cool shine to it. I like how it has those circles that kind of have reflected on it. There's only one little problem. There's a little notch right inside there that is not there, and if I could move the light, you could kind of see it right there, in there, kind of empty, but that really doesn't really bother me too much. Anyways, this, I'm going to go flip now. I did buy this knife on DHgate, and it's priced at around $60. You could also get the real bladed version, but I didn't choose that because I don't want to cut my hands. This knife, when I got it, it was a little bit stiff. So I just put some WD-40 into it and flipped it for a little while, and it got a lot smoother, and it actually feels pretty solid when I flip. This knife is actually really fun to flip, and even though it's a tiny bit smaller than my Replicant and my Alpha Beast, it's still pretty fun to flip. It's a little bit lighter as well, and the screws do come out kind of frequently, so when you get the knife and you tune it and everything, I would recommend you Loctite it before you start flipping up a lot. This knife is very cool and is now a really awesome part of my collection. Thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe. Please also share this video and like this video, and comment what else you guys want to see. I will put a link on where I bought this knife in the description. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.